Okay, this is interesting. I'll just shut it off after a few minutes. I'm measuring 14.27 on the battery with my trusty old voltmeter. 1403 up here. So if I start it up, it's at 11.8 or something. This is still measuring 12.9. So there's a huge volt drop there. I don't know where that's coming from. Very interesting. I'm measuring off the power line and it's quite a bit of a volt drop all the way up to the front here. Don't know why. Headlight? I don't know. But it's definitely higher at the battery. And it's not consistently higher either. Quite a difference. I wonder what voltage I'm actually measuring. And the interesting thing is, when I turn off the bike, the voltage jumps. Oh, why did it jump up half a volt?